DAH Solar, a prominent high-tech enterprise, has developed the powerful DHM-66L9 FS solar module series utilising the company's self-developed, unique and innovative full-screen technology that delivers greater reliability and performance. A new module design with strong self-cleaning ability enables water to wash away dust present on the front surface, thus helping to reduce the frequency of cleaning and maintenance activities while also minimising the risk of hotspots. The module's power generation is enhanced by up to 6 to 15% thanks to the reduction in power loss caused by dust. It is available in 4 variants with power output ranging from 405 to 420 watts at an impressive efficiency of 21.03%. The full black frame design offers improved aesthetic appeal, while the white backsheet reflects the unused light for reabsorption, resulting in increased power generation. Ergonomically designed curved frames reduce holding pressure for the best delivery and installation experience. The use of advanced packing technology during manufacturing provides strong adhesion and an excellent mechanical load capacity that can withstand extreme weather conditions. Optimal module design that combines some of the advanced technologies, including half-cut cells, multi-busbars, and large 166mm cells, enable high power yield. It comes with a 12-year product warranty and a linear performance warranty that guarantees at least 84.8% of the nominal power output at the end of 25 years. After debuting the full-screen PV module, it has won an excellent reputation and is getting more and more popular in the European market.